here to do a short workshop on slapstick, otherwise known as physical comedy. We're going to show you how you can hit your brother and sister.
Safely?
Yes, and without hurting them. You see, it's not about how hard you hit someone, but how you make it look. And for this, we're going to use some simple props such as an inflatable mallet,
Or some foam pipe lagging?
and we have even got some special equipment, some foam mallets. Watch as I hit Spike. Not much effect, and it doesn't look very effective. So what you can do is to add some vocal reaction, like this.
Ow!
But it's better if you also add some physical reaction to go with the vocal reaction.
Ow!
And even better if you can then add some sound effects. So I've brought a pie dish and a frying pan from the kitchen.
I have a wooden spoon.
There we have some sound effects.
Those can be added in post.
So, the end result, when you add the action to the vocal and physical reaction with the sound effect, is like this.
Ow!
You could even add an even larger implement, such as a foam frying pan with a bigger sound effect.
Ow!
These can all be added together into what's called a tit-for-tat routine, like this.
Ow! Oh! Ow! Oh! Ow! Oh! Ow! Oh! Oh! Ah!
Oh, and so it continues, but always making sure that you don't hit hard, because it's the reaction and the sound effects that makes it seem as though it's hurting, but you're not really hurting them. So there you have it, the first slapstick routine.